What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to add and edit text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I have Premiere Pro open here and I have a clip on my timeline and I want to add like a title to this clip that says pizza time. So to do so, I'll just go to the text tool here in the tools panel. If I don't see the tools panel, I'll just go to window and make sure the tools panel is checked or click on it to open it. And I'll go to the text tool here or hit the T key on the keyboard, that's a shortcut. And if I click and hold with the left mouse click, I can access the vertical type tool as well. But for this video, we'll stick to the normal type tool. Now, once my type tool is selected, you'll see my cursor changed form here. And if I click anywhere on the video, it'll create this sort of red box here where I can type whatever I want now. So let's type pizza time. Okay, that's great. And once I select the text here and I go to the effect controls panel, again, if you don't see it, just go to window and open effect controls here. I can see here the text, the pizza time text, and if I click the arrow next to it, I can edit all the settings. Like the font, I can change the font. So let's go with this one. I can change the size, make it larger. I can also change the color. Let's make it red. And I can edit the text style or the font style, make it italic or bold or whatever, and the alignment settings. Now let's add a stroke also. If I check here the stroke settings, I can add a stroke that's the thin line that's around the text. Let's make it black. And let's make the size of the stroke like 3 pixels to appear a bit. Now, if I click anywhere to deselect the text, as you can see here, the text is now written in red with a small black stroke. The stroke, maybe it's not visible. Let's increase the value to like 10 pixels just to be visible. Okay, that's much better. Now we added the text, and as you can see, the text is in its own layer. When I click on it, I can access the settings and edit them at any time.